Lesson 21. The air around us. In this lesson, we are going to learn about air, wind, uses of air and wind, air pollution. Can you feel the air? Yes, you can feel the air. I will show you some examples. Yes, now I can feel the air. Yes, I can feel the air. Our earth is in space. Air is all around the earth. It is like a big blanket that fills up all the empty space, but we cannot see air. Air is everywhere. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. The air is made up of different gases. One of these gases is oxygen. Oxygen is one of the most important gases for us and all the other living things. We all need oxygen to live. We breathe in air through our nose, which goes into our lungs. Our body uses oxygen and breathes out carbon dioxide. Uses of air. Uses of air. We need air for breathing. We cannot live without air. We can fill the air in balloons, football, and cycle tubes. Plants and animals also need air to live. Now let us see some pictures of uses of air. Wind. Fast moving air is called wind. Wind makes branches and leaves of a tree swing. A strong wind can even uproot the trees. Uses of wind. Uses of wind. Wind is useful in many ways. Wind can make a kite fly high in the sky. It can move a windmill. It can also sail a boat. Now let us see some pictures of uses of wind. Air pollution. Man pollutes air in many ways. We should keep the air clean. Otherwise, we will have to breathe polluted air. This is not good for our health. Smoke coming out of the vehicles and factories also makes the air polluted. We should plant more trees to get fresh air. Points to remember. Air is all around us. All living things breathe in air. Fresh air is good for our health. True or false? We breathe in carbon dioxide. True or false? Come on, tell me. Right, false. We breathe in oxygen. Fast moving air is called wind. True or false? Come on, fast. Right, true. All living things need air to live. True or false? Come on, tell me. Right, true. Polluted air is good for our health. True or false? Right, false. Fresh air is good for our health. Cancel the wrong option. Air is made up of water/gases. Come on, tell me, air is made up of what? Right, gases. So I will cancel water. We breathe in oxygen/carbon dioxide. What do we breathe in? Come on, tell me. I told you earlier. Right, we breathe in oxygen. So I will cancel carbon dioxide. We can/cannot see the air. Can we see the air? No, we can't see the air. So I will cancel can. Plant more trees to get fresh/polluted air. We should plant more trees to get which type of air? Right, fresh air. So I will cancel polluted air. So, air is made up of gases. We breathe in oxygen. We cannot see the air. Plant more trees to get fresh air. Answer the following. Give 2 uses of wind. Give 2 uses of air. Give two uses of wind. Come on, tell me what are the uses of wind? I told you earlier in the chapter. Right, it is used to move a windmill, and also it is used to fly a kite high up in the sky. Move a windmill. Fly a kite high. Up in the sky. Give two uses of air. Which are the two uses of air? Come on, tell me. Right, breathing, and we can fill the air in football and cycle tube. Breathing, filling the balloons, football and cycle tubes. So two uses of wind are to move a windmill and fly a kite high up in the sky. And two uses of air are we can breathe in the air and we can use the air in filling the balloons, football and cycle tubes.